Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your XC60 key fob. You're going to need a medium-sized flathead screwdriver, as well as one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. First thing you want to do is hit this little lever, and then that slides this portion out. Next, there's another lever right here. Pull that up like that, and then slide your bottom piece out. Now flip this over, and you're going to want to put your screwdriver here and just push in firmly and move that to where it says open right there. And there's a little indentation right here. You can either get your screwdriver in there or your fingernail. Pop that up. Now you can use your screwdriver again, pry out the dead battery. Make sure you place your new battery positive side facing upward so it's touching these contacts here. You want to place this back in the open selection. Again, push and twist. And then the way this goes back on without the Volvo logo goes on the bottom here. Just like that. And then this Volvo logo is positioned just like that, and you're all set. There's no need for your program. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.